Gotta start taking out the switch. Flathead.
Need a flathead screwdriver.
Alright, I'll get one. Get this one out from our room. Oh yeah, I got my tester. My tester is right in here. You need a flathead, right?
Please.
Alright. My lights aren't on. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. The lights in my room aren't going on.
Yeah, I know, because the upstairs lights, all lights upstairs.
Oh yeah, that's right.
Remember?
Alright, here is your flathead.
Oh, thank you. I'm just gonna get one out. All right. You know what? We might as well get a new plate cover too.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh. Oh, it is black. Yeah, this switch is bad. Look,
Yeah,
see, it's all
that
black.
Yeah.
That's not good.
Yeah, that is not
Ugh.
good. That's no bueno.
No bueno is right. All right. So, since the power's out, we're safe here.
Okay.
But I still feel more comfortable putting gloves on.
Almost looks like a switch out on because it was painted on.
Good thing I did that and Jack didn't, you know?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you're taking the whole switch.
Well, yeah, you would have pulled the switch out.
Yeah. Yeah. Flathead. Well, we're safe because the power's off. Good thing you're wearing gloves.
I'm not wearing gloves on this hand, but I should be, I guess.
Yes.
Although these aren't insulated gloves, I don't think it would
Yeah.
matter.
You just have to unwire the terminals once you're done taking out the switch.
This is a really old screw here. I can't get in the groove.
No, you can't. Yeah, just turn it with your fingers. That's what I do sometimes.
The head of this screw is actually flat. Better off using a butter knife.
Okay, I'll get
I
you.
got it. It's
Okay.
loose enough now. I got it, but it's catching.
Yeah.
Yep, go get me a butter knife. This screwdriver's too thick.
I'll get you
Need
a
a
butter
butter
knife.
knife?
Yeah. We need a butter knife to do the switch. Here's our butter knife.
Thank you. Okay. Done with the butter knife.
Alright. Yep, no power.
All right. So then we just pull this out.
Yeah, and then you just undo the terminals.
Yep. There's a hot. There's a white and a black. That's it.
Yep.
All right. All right, you can pause that now. We're gonna go get.
Wait, what? Okay, so
I'm
I
gonna-
will just make 2 parts of this video because I edit it by CapCut. So I will make 2 parts of this video. See you in part 2. Okay, so
I already got the black wire.
here's the part 2. Have the wires connected. The power is still off. We're installing the new switch.
All right, so now we're gonna connect the white wire on the bottom, right?
Alright.
I'm gonna come around here so you can see. Give that a little twist.
Yeah.
That just has to get hooked behind the screw there. All right, let's hook that on there. that. Screwdriver, tighten the screw down.
Alright. This work is just gonna look phenomenal once we're done.
Alright, that is nice and
Snug.
snug. Now, I'm just gonna shove that back into. Oh, we gotta take these.
Ace hardware switch is very easy to install.
Take these screws out.
After this, we'll just turn the power on and test it.
Yes, we will after we get everything done.
Yep.
I forgot to take these screws out.
Need any more tools? Like, do you need any, like, Phillips, or do you have it?
Got it right here.
Alright.
Back this out. Alright.
Wait, do you still need the old light switch? Yes. If you don't. Alex is sound asleep. You don't need the old light switch to do any of this, do you?
No, I do not
Okay.
need the old switch. But I do gotta line these up.
Alright.
Shove that in there. I think I got the bottom one lined up. Okay.
Yep.
Popped out.
It's just like installing an outlet of a switch. Yeah, just tighten it down.
Alright, let's line the top one up now. Shove that in there like that. Does that reach?
Most people do is just like try to shove the wires in the box.
Alright, I think we're good, buddy.
I think. Wait, the bottom thing is good.
Tighten the bottom one back up. That switch plate cover I left on the sink, remember?
Oh yeah, I'll get it for you. Okay, here is the switch cover. Alright.
So you screw that in. Alright. I don't know what we did with the screws when we took that out. I would have laid them right up here. Oh, here they are.
Oh yeah.
Alright, so this goes on here. Put that down.
You should not have that screw in your mouth. That is very dangerous. You could swallow that. Please take that out of your mouth. Alright, it
Alright,
looks
and
like...
we gotta go down to the circuit
Alright,
breaker and put the power back on.
Alright, let me just make sure this feels right.
Don't hit this. Oh, we look.
Yeah, look at that.
Nice and soft, but we don't have any power yet.
Nice and
right?
soft. Yep.
Alright.
Let's go turn...
Do you want to, you know which switch it was?
Oh yeah, the upstairs hall lights.
Yes. You want
Yeah.
to put that breaker back on?
Yeah.
Alright, yo, shut it off, shut it off.
Alright.
Tell me when it's on.
Alright. There we go. Upstairs hall lights. Alright! The switch is installed.
Alright, success. You want to
Alright.
see?
Yes. Here, look, I'll do it.
Turn the switch on.
Wow. Brand new switch.
Yep.
Well, okay. There you go. It's installed. I don't think we've ever have to dealt with that before.
Look, show that dirty old switch before you sign off.
Okay. Wait, what do you mean sign off?
Before you say goodbye,
Okay.
close your video out.
This is the old switch. It is all blacked out inside there. So, okay guys, that's gonna do it with this replacement switch video. You subscribe. Make sure you subscribe. I don't know what's going on here. And like this video. Goodbye.